Well, I don't think I thought this out. My little contraption. Ta-da! Bird feeder so I could see them feed. But if I wanted to see them feed, I should have put it under my nets. Oh well, I'm outside. That's step one. It's a big step for me. Huge. I'm back with the birds. That's a huge step for me. Thank you, Jace, for your patience. Thank you, Styles. Thank you, Tabitha, Kevin, Allie, Styles Jr., Amy, Shelby, Mom, Dad, Wayne, Kathy, all my heavenly family. Shade, Roro, all the Shelby family. And thank you for Haley, all the Haley family. Thank you, Mason and Cameron. Thank you, Ava, and all the Tabitha Ava family. Thank you, Kevin, Javon, Poppy, and all your family. Thank you for everyone that comes in contact with me as I'm trying to turn new leaves and deal. I have a therapist. Been a little while. When I don't go, I come first. I'd really like to just go there. About a few weeks, but medication is an issue. I love y'all. No birds yet.